What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon, back with the first YouTube video. So today we're going to be putting the Nameless muffler deletes on the STi. It's going to be a how-to video, first video, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Alright guys, so we're going to be taking these two bolts off up front, and there's another one back here. Get that one done, get this off, and then here, and then it slides right off. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got these two bolts out. So next is this exhaust hanger right here. Another one up there, you guys won't be able to see it, but then that just pops right off. We'll do the same thing to that side. Came right off right here. The exhaust hanger is super easy to get off. I think my girlfriend texted me. You guys can see, these are both off. Got the stock mufflers here. Easy clap, take these off. Got the Cubester ripping the go puff, pulled up on the fucking big bore. As you can see, it does come with new bolts. So like I said before, it does come with a gasket that you will need to use. I'm gonna need you to hold these like in the air while I put the gasket and the bolts in.
No, put the hangers in first.
Really?
Yeah. Way easier. We might need some lube on the end of these.
It's all super easy.
Water, dude. Okay. Dude, you're fucking genius.
We got the bolt in right here.
These off and see how she looks.
So I did go with this single wall, 3.5 inch titanium tip. So if it's something you're interested in, link will be in the description below. Now that the car is lowered on the ground, they're not the most even, but fuck it, it'll do for now.
Need the full straight pipe.
I think we need a full straight pipe, right? Yeah.